will be taken on that accordingly.
Meghalaya BJP spokesperson and retired IPS officer Maria Hom Kharkrang on Monday expressed concern over the frequent cases of arson attacks targeting police vehicles and government properties. Kharkrang said these attacks bring a sense of insecurity in the minds of the people and paints a negative picture of the state, noting that the police department is run by efficient people with all the resources at their disposal. Kharkrang urged the police to act firmly against such criminal activities.
Impact on Shillong?
From the party side, we are quite concerned about it, and because one thing it indicates a very negative, picture outside, and it also brings about a sense of insecurity in the minds of the people. This is some of the incidents which have occurred.